Alright, my court case is Mapp, Ohio, and it took place on March 29th, 1961. Dolly Mapp is the appellant, and one of Mapp's neighbors made an anonymous phone call to the police about her supposed holding of a fugitive. The police came to her house and showed her a piece of paper which they said was a warrant, and she realized that the paper was not her warrant, and she shoved it in her bedroom. And then the police said that it was a warrant and aggressively forced their way into her house, taking MC materials. That's when she appealed her conviction on the basis of freedom of expression in the First Amendment and the Fourth Amendment. The court brushed aside the First Amendment issue, claiming that all evidence obtained by searches and seizures in violation of the Constitution is by the Fourth Amendment inadmissible in a state court. Mapp was convicted for legally obtained evidence. This case placed the requirement of excluding illegally obtained evidence from court at all levels of government. Due to this decision, they questioned how and when to use the exclusionary rule, and then the final decision in favor of Mapp was a 6-3 vote with the legal provision of the Fourth Amendment.
Alright, I'm going to just leave out all the fluff that was in my case because I didn't really care. My case is dealing mostly with the limitation on donations one person or a group of people can deal to a political candidate, such as $1,000 from an individual to a political candidate, or $5,000 from a group to an individual candidate per election. Switch that around. And basically it required the groups to, the political electors to actually create a receipt and a file of every payment that they made, so that way it prevented a corruption, so that way they would lose money everywhere. So basically it kept everything in order and created the PAC.com and everything, and awesome.
My case is important basically because it shows that any illegal obtained evidence can be used in the court of law against the defendant, and basically just because you get a good look at how probable cause can eventually affect the final court decision.
With my case, I would have to say mine's important because it leads to prevention of corruption. It would prevent corporations from donating a lot of money, millions of dollars to one person, making them, if they could, president, and leading to corruption of the government. So, yes. And it also provides prevention of corruption of loss of money. So, there.